In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage events, pages in Squarespace. Whether you're hosting a small, intimate gathering or a large public event, having a dedicated space on your website to showcase event details is essential. Squarespace makes this process simple and customizable, so you can create an events page that fits your unique needs. If you've never set up an events page before, don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything ready to go. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Let's get started by adding an events page to your site. First, head over to your Squarespace dashboard and navigate to the Pages section in the main navigation menu. This is where you'll manage the structure of your site and add new pages. Once you're there, look for the plus button. Depending on your template, it will either be at the top or along the side of the menu. If you don't see it immediately, take a moment to scan the area carefully. Click on the plus button to add a new page. This will open up a menu of page types. From here, select the Events Page option. Now you'll see several layout options appear. Take a moment to review these layouts and think about how you want your events to be displayed. If you're planning to highlight large public gatherings, a grid layout might work best since it provides a visual and dynamic presentation. Alternatively, for smaller or single events, a simple list layout may be a better fit as it offers a clean and straightforward design. Choose the layout that aligns with your vision, and once you've made your selection, you're ready to move on. Now that you've added the events page, let's customize it to fit your needs. Squarespace offers built-in event templates to help you get started quickly, or you can begin building your event listings entirely from scratch. Templates are a great option if you want to save time and have a professional-looking page right away. On the other hand, starting from scratch gives you the flexibility to create something completely unique to your brand. After you've chosen your starting point, begin by entering the name of your event. Remember, this will serve as the headline, so make sure it's catchy, clear, and specific enough to grab attention. Once you've added the name, move on to the event description. This section is critical because it provides your visitors with all the essential details about your event. Be sure to include key information like the time, location, and what attendees can expect. If your event requires RSVPs or has additional details, you can embed forms or add links directly into the description for easy access. Next, upload a thumbnail image for your event. This can be done in the event settings. A compelling image is important because it serves as a visual representation of your event and encourages visitors to click for more details. You could use an eye-catching graphic, a photo from a previous event, or even your brand's logo, whichever best represents your event. After that, set the event's date and time. This is crucial to ensure your attendees know exactly when the event is happening. Double-check your time zone settings as well, since even a small error here could cause confusion about the timing of your event. Finally, link your event with Google Calendar using Squarespace's built-in option. This allows attendees to add the event to their own calendars and receive reminders, making it easy for them to stay organized. And now, let's wrap things up by finalizing your events page. Once all the details have been added, save your work by clicking the Save button. Then preview your event page to make sure everything looks just the way you want. A live preview will help you spot any small tweaks that might be needed. If you notice anything that needs adjusting, go back and make the necessary edits. And don't forget to save again once you're done. And there you have it. You've just created and customized an events page in Squarespace. Now your visitors will have a polished and professional space to find all the information they need about your upcoming events. If you have any questions about this process or want to share how you're using your events page, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.